Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Denon soundbar. Denon DHT S216 soundbar. If you check my video, we connected this soundbar to Bluetooth. I'm going to show you how to connect this using HDMI card and optical cable. This is HDMI add cable and optical cable included in the packaging. So what I'm going to do is to bring the TV. Okay, so here is the TV. So this is LG TV, 42-inch TV. So what we're going to do right now is to first of all connect the TV to the power socket. Okay, and the TV is on. Now what we want to do is to switch the TV on. Okay, so the TV is on. Okay, so the TV is on. I'm going to show you. You can see the sound for the TV. Okay, now what we want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to this TV using HDMI cable or optical cable. So we're going to turn the TV around. Okay, so once you turn it around, now the next thing we need to do is to decide which cable we want to use. And so this is HDMI cable. So this TV, you have HDMI 1, 2 and 3. So you decide which one you want to use, and one is in, another one out. Need to go to the soundbar. So what we need to do right now is to try to push it inside and see what if it goes in. Okay, so it appears that this is not going in, so try the second one. Okay, you can see it's in. So this end goes inside to the TV. So you can decide. Right now it's on HDMI 1. So you can decide on 2 or 3. Once it's inside, now the next is we take the outer one to HDMI in here. Okay, or HDMI out. So you need to try to see which one goes in. Okay, it goes to the in one. Okay, now what we need to do is, so it's in and it's also is in right here. So we need to turn the TV around again. Okay, so now we use the remote control. Okay, and look for, so go to the remote control. Okay, once you are remote control, click search. Okay, once you click search, then you scroll down from the scroll down. Okay, for you to see. So scroll down to search. Once you scroll down, you will see echo picture mode. Okay, then the next thing to do is keep scrolling down. So this is picture mode. Scroll down, this is aspect ratio. So this is right now is in aspect ratio. Okay. Just gonna move the light away so that we can see. Okay, brilliant. So right now I can see. So this is aspect ratio. So the next we need to do is to scroll down. This is sound mode. Go to out sound speaker. Select on it. Select on sound speaker. Once you select on sound speaker, then keep going. This is Bluetooth. Select HDMI ARC. Okay. Right now it's sound out. And so right now, okay, so select, go back again to the settings. And also you need to make sure that this soundbar is on. Okay, so the soundbar is on. Now you can select HDMI from the speaker. Okay, right now change it from Bluetooth. Okay, so select. So this is Bluetooth. And also make sure you can see. So make sure you put the cable where it's supposed to go. Okay, you can see the volume. You can increase the volume. Likewise, can decrease it. Okay, so this is how to connect this to the sound bar. Okay, if you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. But before I go, I'm also going to show you on my next video how to connect this using optical cable. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.